Capturing breathtaking aerial footage requires reliable hardware that matches your cinematic vision. Finding the best drone for videography means balancing camera quality, flight stability, intelligent tracking, and portability to ensure every single shot looks completely effortless and professional. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Product name: DJI Mini 5 Pro Drone Tech. The DJI Mini 5 Pro proves that small drones can deliver serious cinematic power. Its palm-sized foldable frame tucks into a jacket pocket, yet it houses a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of 4K 60 frames per second HDR footage with rich color depth and crisp detail that rivals larger rigs. What sets this model apart is its 225-degree gimbal rotation and true vertical filming mode, letting creators frame shots for social platforms without cropping or losing resolution. Safety is handled through Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing, combining LiDAR and vision sensors so the drone can navigate confidently even after sunset. ActiveTrack 360 has been refined for smoother subject tracking, making it a strong companion for cyclists, runners, or anyone filming movement-heavy content. Battery life stretches to 36 minutes per charge, and the included charging hub tops up 3 batteries in roughly 115 minutes, minimizing downtime between flights. The 42 gigabytes of onboard storage means a forgotten SD card won't end your shoot. Beginners benefit from the RC2 controller's intuitive layout, while the bundled ND filters give more experienced pilots creative control over exposure in bright conditions.
Number 2. Product name: DJI Neo 2 Drone Challenge. The DJI Neo 2 is built for spontaneity, weighing just 151 grams and carrying C0 certification that simplifies travel and outdoor use. Full coverage propeller guards make it one of the safest drones for casual flying around people, pets, or tight spaces, since accidental bumps won't cause damage or injury. Palm takeoff and landing combined with gesture controls mean you can launch, film, and land without ever touching the remote, which is ideal for solo creators capturing quick clips on the move. The selfie shot feature simplifies capturing personal moments, tapping once to frame and shoot without fumbling through menus. ActiveTrack keeps subjects centered during motion, and Apple Watch integration adds a novel layer of control, letting pilots check flight status or adjust tracking via voice commands right from their wrist. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing adds a safety net for less experienced flyers navigating cluttered environments like backyards or hiking trails.
Image quality tops out at 4K resolution, which won't satisfy professional colorists, but comfortably handles vlogs, social content, and casual documentation. The kit includes 3 batteries and a charging hub, so extended outings are realistic without needing spares purchased separately. One current drawback worth noting is the DJI Fly app's removal from Google Play, requiring Android users to sideload it directly from DJI's website. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2 Drone. The Potensic Atom 2 drone distinguishes itself with a genuinely unique control experience, thanks to its PTD1 RC controller, featuring a built-in 5.5-inch FHD touchscreen at 700 nits of brightness, bright enough to stay visible under direct sunlight. This eliminates the need to pair a smartphone before flying, letting pilots launch almost instantly. Camera performance comes from a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor, capturing 48 megapixel photos and 4K 30 FPS HDR video stabilized through a 3-axis gimbal, with an f1.8 aperture and 4-in-1 pixel binning that noticeably improves low-light clarity. A P-Log color profile gives editors more flexibility in post-production for those wanting a customized visual style. PicSync 4.0 technology supports transmission up to 10 kilometers with 1080p 30 FPS live view, an impressive range for this price tier. And the controller itself runs up to 3 hours on a single charge, with 27-watt fast charging replenishing it to 90% in about 85 minutes.
The Fly More Combo's charging hub handles 3 batteries simultaneously in 1.3 hours, and total flight time across the kit reaches 96 minutes. AI Track offers spotlight, follow, and parallel modes for dynamic subject framing, while AI Stunning Night Shot extends usability into evening hours.
Number 4. Product name:
SKYROVER X1 Drone. The SKYROVER X1 targets adventure-focused creators who need dependable footage across varied outdoor conditions. Its 1/1.32-inch CMOS sensor, paired with an f1.7 aperture, produces 4K 60 frames HDR video and 48-megapixel stills, delivering noticeably vibrant color and clarity for landscapes, action shots, and everyday moments alike. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids many regional registration requirements while still packing a substantial feature set, making it genuinely travel-friendly for hikers and road trippers who don't want extra bulk. 360-degree obstacle sensing paired with smart return to home builds confidence when flying through unpredictable terrain like wooded trails or open fields, reducing the risk of costly crashes. Transmission range stands out here, reaching up to 9.32 miles via Skybridge technology, while maintaining a stable 1080p 60 frames live feed, useful for scouting distant landscapes or crowded outdoor events without signal dropout. AI Night Mode leverages the larger sensor to capture usable detail in dusk and low-light scenarios, extending shooting opportunities beyond daylight hours. Creative tools including AI Auto Track, Smart Spotlight, and Dual Tracking simplify capturing moving subjects like cyclists or vehicles, while vertical shooting caters directly to social media formats. With 3 batteries, total flight time reaches an impressive 96 minutes, reducing interruptions during long shoots.
Number 5. Product name: Ruko F11 Pro 2 Plus Drone Pro. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 Plus leans into long flight times and dependable image quality, making it well-suited for methodical shooters who value endurance over flashy extras. Its 1/2-inch CMOS sensor captures 48-megapixel photos and smooth 4K 30fps video, with strong dynamic range that holds detail in both shadows and highlights, particularly useful during golden hour or sunset shoots, where lighting shifts rapidly. Low-light performance is a genuine highlight, letting pilots capture usable evening and dusk footage that many drones in this category struggle to render clearly. Stability comes from a 3-axis mechanical brushless gimbal, actively counteracting shake and tilt in real time to produce noticeably smoother, more professional-looking footage than digital stabilization alone can achieve. 2 included batteries provide 37 minutes of flight each, totaling 74 minutes of combined airtime, giving pilots ample opportunity to scout locations, reposition, and reshoot without constantly worrying about battery anxiety. Transmission range extends to 20,000 feet, a genuine advantage for surveying large properties, remote trails, or expansive landscapes where signal reliability matters most. Controls remain approachable despite the drone's capable feature set, making it accessible to newer pilots while still satisfying more demanding users. It's also positioned as a gift-friendly option, appealing to outdoor enthusiasts or first-time drone owners.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.